Tired of watching crypto videos that leave you more confused than when you started? Have you ever wished someone would just explain crypto in plain language, without all the hype or technical talk? Welcome to Smart Crypto Guide, a brand new YouTube channel dedicated to helping you understand the world of cryptocurrency, whether you're just starting your journey or already investing. You'll find practical tips, honest reviews, and tutorials you can actually follow. We create content that makes crypto simple. Every week, you'll get easy-to-understand crypto tutorials, deep dives into promising altcoins, step-by-step guides on wallets, DeFi, and exchanges, updates on upcoming airdrops and Web3 tools. This channel is for everyday people, not just tech experts. Whether you're trying to make your first crypto investment or build a long-term portfolio, this guide is for you. We break it all down so you can make smart decisions in a fast-changing market. So if you're ready to grow your knowledge, your portfolio, and your confidence in crypto, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon. Thanks for being here. Let's get started on your journey with Smart Crypto Guide.